Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's a great day to see my teachers sitting in front of me and teachers of teachers and mentors. And to name a few, Professor Tariq Rafi Saab, who is the chairman of HEC Sindh, Professor Dr. Tipu Sultan Saab, and Professor Ghaffar Billu Saab. In next 10 minutes, I'm going to present the vision and journey of Saman-e-Shifa Foundation. There are certain responsibilities of federal and provincial government. And one of the major responsibility is looking after the population health sector. Unfortunately, in many areas, the government have failed miserably. And it is the private sector that has to take the responsibility. In the delivery of health care, there are 4 important pillars: human resource, infrastructure, pharmaceuticals, and finally the 4th important pillar is medical device. What is medical device? According to WHO, there are more than 2 million medical devices, from diagnostic to therapeutic to implant. So the presentation to laga dete hain. The vision of Saman-e-Shifa is affordable and accessible healthcare for humanity. And the journey started in December 2020, and you can see in the presentation here in the middle, we have Dr. Abdul Bari Saab, Arif Shah Saab, Jamshed. And ये एक मन चले थे, हमने एक बेड़ा उठाया, affordable and accessible healthcare for humanity. ये खुद से नहीं करो. So Saman-e-Shifa is a unique not-for-profit foundation. This is unique in the sense that there are senior doctors, engineers, architects under one roof, and they have the same vision. A vision document has been established, including targets of 100 years, 50 years, 25 years, 5 years, and 1 year. These factors, they want to combine the effort for one goal, which is affordable and accessible healthcare for humanity. Our mission is industry, academia, meaningful collaboration. Many developed countries, the academia and the industry are closely aligned. Unfortunately, in Pakistan, they are poles apart. And our strategy of achieving our vision is very focused. Out of the 4 pillars, we want to concentrate on one pillar, which is medical device. So our strategy is to build an ecosystem that facilitates local manufacturing of all medical devices of international standard. Now that's a very tall order. According to WHO, there are 2 million medical devices. And Professor Tipu Sultan is here. Whether it be ICU, whether it be operation theater, whether it be clinic, without medical device, you cannot make a diagnosis, we cannot cure. सर यहाँ बैठे हैं, इन्होंने डायरिया से मरने वाले बच्चों की जान बचाने के लिए नमक और चीनी का एक फॉर्मूला निकाला. Many years ago, sir, 40 years ago. And WHO ने एक्सेप्ट किया, एंड उस वक्त से पाकिस्तान को रिकॉग्नाइज किया फॉर ORS. ये हमारे बोर्ड मेंबर्स हैं, एंड we have worked on different sections. So we started from December 2020 when COVID was there. So we started focusing on medical devices related to intensive care unit, including ventilators and other things. But we have orthopedic segment, we have cardiology segment, we have radiology segment, and we have eye segment at the. Our aim is local manufacturing, not for only use in Pakistan, but we want to make Pakistan a major exporter of medical device. Our foundation is recognized by SCCP under Section 42. We are recognized by FBR as a not-for-profit organization. We are registered with PCP. And in addition to facilitating medical device development in Pakistan, we have initiated two major projects recently. One is National Medical Device Directory. So the board and the managers, they have a screen all across Pakistan what are and which are the area where medical devices are being manufactured. So we have champions of plastic medical device in the form of Badr Munir. He is making medical devices and exporting to 10 multinational companies. We have companies like Alson, that is 100 years old company. They have manufactured ventilators. And across Pakistan, we have LDS that has manufactured glucometers and other important things. So this National Medical Device Directory is going to be extremely helpful for industry who want to come into this area of medical device manufacturing. What Saman-e-Shifa is going to do? Saman-e-Shifa is going to facilitate. No medical device is going to be allowed for clinical use until a clinical trial has been conducted under the rules and regulation of DRAB. Saman-e-Shifa is going to do that. And then once a product is registered with DRAB, who's going to use it? Saman-e-Shifa is going to facilitate endorsement of the product, for example, by champions of anesthesia and the president of Pakistan Society of Anesthesia endorsing that this ventilator made by Alson company is as good as any imported ventilator in the world. This cardiac stent manufactured in NAST is as good and as safe as any imported cardiac stent in the world. So we are expanding, initially starting from Karachi. Now we have entered into Islamabad at Shifa Tamir-e-Millat University that has given us space for the satellite office of Saman-e-Shifa at Islamabad. Also have an office in Lahore at the ESA lab. We have multiple partners in the form of engineering universities and industry. We have multiple partners in the form of medical universities and hospital, to name a few: Health Research Advisory Board, Ziauddin Medical University, NICVD, Shifa International Hospital, Shifa Tamir-e-Millat University, Maleer University, Sohail University, Gurki Trust Teaching Hospital, Pakistan Society of Anesthesia, Pakistan Orthopedic Association, Pakistan Arthroplasty Society, and multiple pharmaceutical companies are partners. We have executed MOUs with different institutions. Most recently, we have signed a MOU with NAST. Professor Tahir Saghir, he's Executive Director of NICVD. Professor Iqbal, he is the Vice Chancellor of Shifa Tamir-e-Millat University. Professor Amir Aziz, he is a Senior Orthopedic Surgeon at Gurki Trust Teaching Hospital. At Sialkot Instrument Manufacturing Association is a big industry for surgical instrument manufacturing. Professor Dr. Tipu Sultan, Chancellor of Maleer University. And everybody knows Professor Abdul Bari Saab, Indus Hospital Network. Professor Sarosh Lodi, Vice Chancellor of NED University. And we've been promoting this concept across by conferences like this. In 2022, during Farm Asia, this was again a very well attended conference. We had debate that we are going to do today as well. And we invited professors and vice chancellors of different universities. We invited DRAB as well. So Dr. Muhammad Fakhruddin Amir in 2022 was the in charge of medical device of DRAB. Another conference in 2023, boosting medical device during Health Asia, and so on. We invited the Consulate General of Turkey for collaboration. COMSET in Lahore, we conducted a conference. This was again a very successful conference. So what is the way forward? Our plan is to collaborate, and this conference we are sitting here is a combined conference between Saman-e-Shifa Foundation, Health Device Association of Pakistan, that represent importers of all medical devices, and Easy Health Tech. So we are convincing the importers of medical device that we are not stopping you from importing, but what we are saying is that whatever medical device you are importing, please attempt to manufacture it in Pakistan, and Samane Shifa and their team are going to facilitate you and endorse your product. I'm actually going to stop here. We have a long day. We have different session, panel discussion, debate. I'm open to any question now, and thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.